In this video, I am explaining how to draw the square plate. Okay. So the question is, a square plate of 30 mm sides rests on HP such that one of its diagonal is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Draw its projections. So the square plate side is 30 mm. Square means both sides equal 30, 30. Rests on HP. With respect to edges or corner, it's not given. So such that one of its diagonal is placed, it means you have to consider this one is with respect to corner. Okay. Remember, one of its diagonal is given in the question means you have to draw the first position with respect to corner. So let's start the diagram. Choose the rectangle command. Give the width is 30 and height also 30. Okay. If you give the angle 0 degree, the square will come with respect to edge. If you give the 45 degree, the square will be converted into corner. Okay. So our requirement with respect to corner, correct? So give the angle 45 degree here. So the square will come with respect to corner. Okay. You can check the dimension one side, any one side you can check it 30 according to the question. So go for naming. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. So the top view of the square plate is over. Next, you can go for the front view, projection of all the lines to the XY line. Okay, projection of B and D in the same line, projection of A and projection of C. Okay, the projection lines will be, thickness will be less. Okay, so go for smart dimension and check it one side of the dimension. After this, you can go for line command and select the projection of A to the projection of C, or projection of A to projection of BD and projection of C. Okay, you can draw two lines here. You can draw two lines. You can go for smart dimension and check it. Both the 21.21, 21.21, same distance will come. Okay, go for the naming. This is the projection of A. This is A dash. This is projection of B dash, and also D dash. Correct? D dash not visible inside the bracket, and this is C dash. Okay. So next position, you have to incline the plate with respect to 30 degree with HP, 30 degree to VP. How to incline means go for the line command. This line initially 0 degree, you have to incline to 30 degree. Okay, what is the distance? 21.21, 21.21. Select XY line, give the length 21.21, enter, angle is 30 degree. Okay, again 21.21, enter, angle 30 degree. Okay, so go for the smart dimension. If you want, you can check this one 21.21 and also 21.21. Okay, so angle will be, check the angle also for with respect to XY line. So this line to XY line 30 degree. Okay, so now you can go for the projection of top view. This is the front view after inclined to 30 degree. Okay, before that you have to naming is very important. This is A dash, this is B dash, and this one is inside the bracket D dash. Okay, and finally this one is the C dash. Same naming. Naming will be same as it is. You have to type it, and you will go for the projection. Projection of A, projection of B and D. You can see the endpoint symbol, projection of C and D, and projection of C. Projection of A, B, D, and C. So you can look at the endpoint symbol. If not came, you can switch on the Intel sketch. All Intel sketch should be switch on this one. Okay. So this is the projection of A to the first line. Okay. Next projection of B to the second line. Projection of C again. You can extend this line to the third line. Okay. Then you can go for the last one, projection of D. Endpoint, choose the endpoints always. Okay. You'll get the 4 points. If you want, you can go for trim command and trim this one. All the lines will get the easily endpoints. Okay. Go for line command. Change the thickness to 0.5. So this is the point A, endpoint to the point B, to the point C, to the point D, and to the point A. Okay. So this is the square after inclined to 30 degree. Okay. So naming A, B, C, and D without dashes in the top. Okay. And finally, one of its diagonal is inclined. Okay. So diagonal always you have to consider left reference point. So A is the reference point. So from A, what is the diagonal is passed? AC is the diagonal is passed. You have to draw the separate diagonal line here. Okay, so A to C, one diagonal line, endpoint to endpoint, and here also A to C. Okay, so here we check the smart dimension. This dimension is different. This dimension is different. Okay, the question is given 45 degree to VP, one of its diagonals. Correct. So here the diagonal 42.43. For that one, 45 degree angle is given. For the second diagonal, you have to find out the angle. That is called the beta angle. Why we call it beta angle means this is the true length. First diagram having the original distance, this is called true length. This is called apparent length. You have to find out the apparent angle also. Okay, then go for line command and you can check this one. Angle is 45 degree. Correct. So you can draw the 45 degree line, select it and choose the minus 45 degree downwards angle. Okay, draw the line, check this one, draw the line like this. And what is the original dimension of the diagonal? 42.43. Okay, so start anywhere of this one. So 42.43, enter, minus 45 degree angle. Okay, you can check the dimension 42.43. Okay, so what is this point? Okay, which diagonal is this one? AC, correct? You can go for the naming. So top is the A, bottom is the C. Okay, then you can go for the line command and write the locus of the C. Okay, write simply like this, horizontal line. Okay, so make sure the thickness will be small. Then select this second diagram. You have to place this one to the angle line, 45 degree angle line. Okay, so how to move this one? Very important. Go for move command. Select the copy. Always you have to highlight the copy. You have to select. You should not select any line here. You have to select the corner A. Okay, select the corner A. Place it to the point A. Okay, then go for rotate command. First select the A and select the C. C is the diagonal, correct? So you have to place it like this. You can see if you zoom this one and place exactly to the line properly. Okay, place like this, fit the page. You can observe now. So AC is the 42.43 and this one having the dimension is 36.74. Okay, so I'm erasing the double naming here. Okay, yeah, right. This is you have to find out the angle. Okay, so go for extend command near to the circle command. Go for extend command. Select the another diagonal of AC. Okay, it will extend to XY line. So go for angle. So originally we are given initially is 45 for the true diagonal. And the beta angle is the 55. So this is the true angle, this is the apparent angle. Okay. After inclined to 55 degree, you have to find out the draw the front view. This is the top view is over. You have to go for the front view. How it is visible. Okay. Go for line command. So this is the point of A. Projection of A is the XY line. Projection of B will be second line. Projection of C is the third line. Choose the always endpoints. Okay. So select it, make it 0.13, thickness is less. So now we have to draw the another projection from the top view. Okay. So where is the point A? This is the point A. Always go alphabetically A, B, C, D. A, select A corner to the XY line because the projection of the A in the XY line. This is the point of XY line, correct? Projection of XY line, straight line. Okay. right? As it is, you have to go for the B. There is B, this is the B to the second line. B to the second line straight, and C to the top line. This is the projection of C and the point C. Okay, don't use this point. Okay, this is true length. We are not using true length. We are using the apparent length. Okay, so go for D. D will be the second line. Correct. So after this one, you have to go for the naming. If not properly named this one, you can't join the lines. Okay, this is A dash. Okay, this is B dash. And this one is C dash. And finally, this one is D dash. Okay, so join the points using dark lines. Use the end points. A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to A dash. Okay, so I'm using trim this one, extra lines, I'm trimming this one, so diagram will be easily visible. This is the final diagram after inclination 30 degree to HP, 55 degree to BP.